On the spiritual side, I was in awe because I know that inside this Buddha statue in Lantau, there's a lot of relics. Relics are hair, nail, bone, clothes, objects that a very sacred, holy person, saint, meditator, master, monk had used in the past. So if we have a bone or a hair or a nail of this great master in the past, and we keep it, we would enshrine it inside, for example, a statue. When we enshrine it inside the statue, the benefits are twofold: the statue and the holy object. So therefore, that's what a relic is. A relic is a piece of a holy being. It could be, for example, a rosary that they had used. So maybe you had one bead, that would be very appropriate to put inside a holy statue. So this statue has many relics from around the world, from many great masters, even the relics of the Buddha himself. So when we go there and we make prayers and we circumambulate, pay homage, offer incense, it's very, very worth our while.